Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rayhana Noaim bintu Abdul Razak. I'm a student from UKL BMI, taking subject of community service. Regarding the title, I'm going to talk about what is animal cruelty and how can we stop it for good. Animal cruelty is the abuse toward or neglect of an animal. Some aspects of animal cruelty involve purposefully putting animals in situations that harm, scare, and terrorize them, while others simply result from people looking the other way. However, animal cruelty takes place every day in all spaces, not just in the world of industrial animal agriculture. It might be happening inside your neighbor's house, at an entertainment venue in your city, or at a lab near where you work. You've likely encountered stray animals throughout your life, which is companion animals who have been abandoned and left to fend for themselves. Cases of animal cruelty fall into several categories. There's no specific reason behind animal cruelty. It can occur because of many different causes, many of which stem from human self-interest. If we care only about human beings, we can view animals through a distorted lens. In most cases, animal cruelty doesn't feel like an immoral act to the person who commits it. He or she can justify the behavior in moderate ways. Let's look at a few of the most common justifications. Animal needs our help. They can't end animal cruelty on their own, so we have to step in and let people who victimize our fellow animals know that it's not okay. Animals are sentient creatures who deserve our respect and protection. They aren't aggressive toward human beings unless they are threatened, and we already stolen much of their wildlife base for our own needs. The last thing we need to do is add to their suffering. I would like to say that animals, just like us, they need love too. As more people become aware of animal cruelty, we have more power to stop it.